Air travel often becomes complicated when carrying important medication, especially with strict airport security rules in place. A small mistake can lead to long questioning, delays, or even losing access to necessary medicine during the journey. Understanding the updated 2026 rules can make the entire process smooth and stress-free. This guide breaks down everything that needs to be known before heading to the airport. Stay till the end and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smart travel tips. Number 10. Understanding Transportation Security Administration rules. Airport security in the United States is managed by the Transportation Security Administration, commonly known as TSA. This organization is responsible for ensuring passenger safety while also allowing necessary items like medication to pass through security checkpoints. In 2026, TSA policies continue to allow both prescription and over-the-counter medicines, but the key lies in how they are carried and declared. Medications are permitted in carry-on bags without strict quantity limitations, which is extremely important for travelers who rely on daily doses. Liquid medications, including syrups, insulin, and medical gels, are allowed in quantities greater than 3.4 ounces. However, these must be declared separately at the screening checkpoint. Security officers may ask for additional inspection, which can include opening containers or using testing equipment. Not declaring medication can lead to unnecessary complications. Officers may treat the item as suspicious, leading to delays or secondary screening. Understanding these rules in advance ensures smoother communication with security staff and reduces stress during the travel process. Travelers who are prepared with proper knowledge and confidence are far less likely to face issues at the airport. Number 9. Keep medicines in original packaging. One of the most common mistakes travelers make is transferring medicine into different containers. While this may seem convenient, it can create serious problems during airport security checks. Keeping medication in its original packaging is strongly recommended because it provides clear identification and proof that the medicine is legitimate. Original packaging usually includes the patient name, prescription details, dosage instructions, and pharmacy information. These details help security officers quickly verify the authenticity of the medicine. Without this information, officers may question the purpose of the medication, especially if it looks unfamiliar or comes in an unmarked container. In 2026, security systems have become more advanced, and officers are trained to identify suspicious items more efficiently. Loose pills or unmarked bottles can raise red flags, leading to further inspection or questioning. This not only wastes time, but can also create unnecessary stress before a flight. Carrying medicines in original packaging also becomes crucial when traveling internationally. Different countries have different regulations, and having proper labeling can prevent legal complications. It acts as a layer of protection, ensuring that the medicine is recognized as a necessary personal item rather than something restricted. Number 8. Always carry a doctor's prescription or note. Having a doctor's prescription or official medical note is one of the safest ways to avoid issues at airport security. While it is not always mandatory for every type of medication, it becomes extremely important when carrying controlled substances, injectable drugs, or large quantities of medicine. A prescription serves as legal proof that the medication is required for personal health reasons. It clearly states the patient's name, the prescribed drug, and the dosage instructions. In situations where security officers need clarification, this document can immediately resolve concerns without delays. In 2026, airport security officers are more alert than ever, especially when dealing with unfamiliar medications or substances that could potentially be misused. Without proper documentation, even genuine medicine can be treated with suspicion. This can result in extended questioning or additional screening procedures. For international travel, a doctor's note becomes even more critical. Some countries have strict regulations regarding certain medications, and failure to provide documentation can lead to confiscation or legal trouble. Carrying a printed copy, along with a digital backup, ensures that access to proof is always available when needed. Number 7. Declare liquid medications separately. Liquid medications follow a different set of rules compared to regular liquids carried during travel. While standard liquids must follow the 3.4-ounce limit, medical liquids are exempt from this restriction. However, this exemption comes with one important condition, which is proper declaration at the security checkpoint. Before the screening process begins, liquid medications should be removed from the bag and clearly presented to the security officer. This simple step can prevent confusion and speed up the screening process. When declared properly, officers handle these items with more understanding and care. Failure to declare liquid medication can lead to complications. Security personnel may treat it like a regular liquid, which could result in confiscation or additional questioning. In some cases, travelers may be asked to undergo secondary screening, which can delay boarding time. In 2026, security technology allows for more accurate inspection of liquids, but human verification is still an essential part of the process. Declaring medication shows transparency and cooperation, which significantly reduces the chances of facing problems. This small action can make a big difference in ensuring a smooth airport experience. Number 6. Keep essential medication in carry-on bag. Packing essential medication in checked luggage is a risky decision that can lead to serious problems during travel. Delayed baggage, lost luggage, or unexpected flight changes can leave travelers without access to critical medicine. Keeping all necessary medication in a carry-on bag ensures that it remains accessible at all times. Carry-on bags stay with the passenger throughout the journey, making them the safest place for storing important items. This is especially important for medications that need to be taken at specific times, such as insulin, heart medication, or emergency treatments. Having immediate access can be crucial in maintaining health and avoiding complications. In 2026, airlines continue to advise passengers to carry valuable and essential items in their cabin baggage. Medications fall into this category due to their importance. Even short flights can experience delays, and relying on checked baggage for medical needs is never a safe option. Organizing medication properly within the carry-on bag also helps during security checks. Keeping them in an easily accessible section allows quick removal if needed for inspection. This not only saves time, but also creates a smoother experience at the security checkpoint, reducing stress before the journey begins. Number 5. Know international medication rules. Before travel. Traveling across borders adds another layer of complexity when carrying medication. Every country has its own laws regarding what types of medicine are allowed, restricted, or completely banned. What is perfectly legal in one country may be considered a controlled substance in another. This makes research absolutely essential before packing any medication. Countries like Japan and United Arab Emirates are known for having strict rules on certain drugs, especially those containing narcotics or strong painkillers. Even common medications such as codeine-based drugs may require special approval. Without proper documentation, travelers can face serious consequences, including confiscation or legal issues. Checking the official embassy website of the destination country provides the most accurate and updated information. Carrying only the required quantity for personal use also reduces suspicion. Proper preparation ensures that the journey remains smooth and avoids unexpected trouble at international airports. Number 4. Avoid carrying excess medication. Carrying more medication than necessary can quickly raise suspicion during airport security checks. While there is no strict universal limit, bringing an unusually large quantity may lead officers to question the purpose of the medication. This is especially true for prescription drugs or controlled substances. In 2026, security systems are more advanced and officers are trained to identify unusual patterns. Large quantities of pills, multiple bottles, or excessive supplies can trigger additional screening. This may lead to questioning, delays, or even temporary confiscation until proper verification is completed. A smart approach is to carry only the amount needed for the duration of the trip, along with a small extra supply for emergencies. This keeps things simple and avoids unnecessary attention. If long-term travel requires carrying more medicine, having proper prescriptions and documentation becomes even more important. Keeping quantities reasonable not only helps during security checks, but also makes packing more organized. It reduces the risk of losing medication and ensures that everything remains easy to manage throughout the journey. Number 3. Understand special rules for medical devices. Many travelers rely on medical devices such as insulin pens, inhalers, CPAP machines, or glucose monitors. These items are allowed through airport security, but they often require additional screening. Understanding how to handle these devices can prevent delays and confusion at the checkpoint. Devices like insulin pumps or continuous glucose monitors should not be removed if they are attached to the body. Informing the security officer before screening begins is important so that alternative procedures can be used. In some cases, a manual inspection may be performed instead of standard scanning. Medical devices may also require separate screening, similar to liquid medications. Keeping them easily accessible in the carry-on bag helps speed up the process. In 2026, security officers are well trained to handle such situations, but clear communication from the traveler makes everything smoother. Carrying instruction manuals or a doctor's note for complex devices adds an extra layer of safety. This ensures that any confusion can be resolved quickly without unnecessary delays. Proper preparation allows travelers to pass through security with confidence while keeping essential medical equipment safe. Number 2. Be ready for additional screening. Even when all rules are followed correctly, additional screening can still happen. This is a normal part of airport security and should not be seen as a problem. Medications, especially liquids or unusual items, may require extra inspection to ensure safety. During this process, officers may ask questions about the medication, inspect the packaging, or use special equipment to test the contents. Staying calm and cooperative is the best approach. Clear answers and proper documentation can make the process quick and stress-free. In 2026, security technology has improved significantly, but human judgment still plays a key role. Officers are trained to ensure safety while also respecting passenger needs. Being prepared for additional screening reduces anxiety and helps maintain a smooth travel experience. Allowing extra time at the airport is also a smart decision. Rushing through security can increase stress, especially if additional checks are required. Arriving early ensures that there is enough time to handle any situation without risking the flight. Number 1. Organize everything for easy access. The most effective way to avoid problems at airport security is proper organization. Keeping all medications, prescriptions, and related documents in one dedicated section of the carry-on bag makes the entire process faster and easier. When items are well organized, they can be quickly presented during screening without searching through the bag. This creates a positive impression and helps security officers complete their checks efficiently. It also reduces stress and confusion during busy airport moments. Using a small medical pouch or organizer can be extremely helpful. Separating liquids, pills, and devices ensures that each item is easy to identify. In 2026, travelers who stay organized experience fewer delays and smoother interactions at security checkpoints. Preparation and organization go hand in hand. When everything is in place and easily accessible, the chances of facing issues become very low. This simple habit can transform the entire airport experience into something smooth and hassle-free. Traveling with medication does not have to be stressful or complicated. With the right preparation, proper knowledge, and smart organization, passing through airport security becomes simple and smooth. Following these updated 2026 rules ensures that essential medicine stays safe and accessible throughout the journey. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful travel tips that make every journey easier and smarter.